of the other questions, which is maybe not as important, but is interesting to address, is where the heck did this come from? If you look back at the history of this, it does appear perhaps to have originated at the Wuhan seafood market, though there is some suggestion that there are 13 or 14 cases that were not associated with that epidemiologically. So I don't think we know where this came from. And there are potentially cases as far back as November of 2019. And then the first cases in Wuhan at the seafood market were, again, the middle of December. You can look at that stuff online. I'm not sure it really matters where it came from at this point, beyond the fact that my personal opinion is strongly this has nothing to do with eating animals. There are some plant-based advocates who have suggested that if we just never ate animals, none of these diseases would have happened. And this is blatantly false for me, because we are still going to come into contact with animals. There's no clear evidence this came from eating animals, but occasionally in the animal kingdoms, viruses do jump from animals. They jump between species. They can jump from animals to humans occasionally. That appears to have been what happened in this case. The best data I've seen right now, although this is unclear, is that this may be from a bat. There's 96% sequence homology, give or take, on that with the bat. People were saying a panguin, which is not a penguin, a panguin, but that doesn't appear to be as possible. There's potentially an intermediate host of a certain type of what I believe is called a civet, which is like a type of wild cat-like animal. So it appears to have come from animals to humans. We don't know why this happens, and then have spread from there. As we know, in China, the extreme measures to quarantine, to expand the hospitals, seem to have gotten this under control. But in the United States and many other European countries, cases are increasing very, very rapidly.